If you've been following me for a bit, you might remember this hack job of a weld that I did. Eventually, I got it to a point where I could paint it and start adding details. The files were made in a way that the earpiece could move. The problem is they were going to break really easily. So I took my soldering iron and cleared out a hole, and then I also welded some more filament into the hole to strengthen it as well, because I didn't want the magnet blowing out the other end. I was able to stick 2 magnets in there with the E6000 glue, and it worked. It actually holds on to the metal really, really well. Once all the rangefinder pieces were painted, I started attaching it. It's drilled into I drilled into the helmet and inserted the screw, and on the other side is a wing nut that I can easily screw and unscrew it. And yeah, you can see that it magnetized it really well. To finish off the helmet, I just coated the inside with a whole bunch of Velcro, and then I added Velcro onto my visor. And then on the inside, I ended up hot gluing this bar that I think might be for an electrical box. I don't know. It's a support for the visor as well. Once I got the padding and the inside all sorted out, I tried it on. It fit. If you had talked to me after I soldered the parts together and did that horrible welding job, I would never have thought that I would have made it this far. I'm so glad she's done.